Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We finally got a new project. This is going to be another long-term project here for the garage. You can tell it's an 01 IS300. You know, I got this thing dirt cheap, but it's got some issues. Lots of body issues, you know, lights, suspension, I mean, you name it, it's got those issues. So it's going to take us quite a bit of work to get this done. You can only guess what I'm going to end up doing with this vehicle. You can guess, put the comments below. But I show you, there's going to be a lot of cleanup needing to be done on this car. Apparently someone didn't take care of it very well. I know it's an old car, but I mean, seriously, just wash something, right? So you can tell here, this door panel is completely dirty. The seats are pretty much, you know, torn up a little bit, really dirty. We'll see how clean we can get it. If not, we're gonna have to change, you know, come up with an option to get these refurbished somehow, because aftermarket is a little bit hard to come by. The floors, of course, the carpets are really dirty, pretty typical with tan, but these are overly dirty. If you look over here on this side, it looks like the camera picks it up. I don't know what happened over there. Shoot, who knows? I mean, people putting their drinks right there on that seat. You name it, someone did it to this poor car. They got an aftermarket stereo, which we're going to gut out. We don't need that. But AC works, blows nice and cold, dries really well. Go figure, in 2JZ style. This car has 181,000 miles, and it's idling perfect. It dries fine, except for the suspension is completely shot. It's original. So even the back seat area is pretty rough. Get back here, I already took out the bottom seat, but the carpets are pretty much the same condition, just all torn up. The back seats, looks like those will clean up just fine. You know, no one really sits back here, but let's check out the trunk. So here it is. I don't know, even the rims, I'm not sure what someone did. I guess the plus side is this thing has brand new tires, except I won't be using them. I guess we can get some money back there, put toward the car. The trunk is pretty, just kind of torn over. It was fairly dirty, but I cleaned out somewhat. We gotta get that thing in order. The back bumper is completely tore up. That's gonna have to be replaced. This tail light needs to be replaced, but I think I'm gonna replace those with a different style anyway, so no big deal. Same with this rim, pretty messed up. The body is fairly straight. There's some dings here and there, but not too bad. This fender is done for. Looks like it took a pretty good hit. Check out this rim, guys. I don't know how that's holding air, but I don't know if it's going to capture that on camera, but that rim is bent and it's still holding air. It looks like it's out of alignment from the other side, so that's okay too. We're going to replace every suspension component on this car. The subframe and the connectors for the suspension look just fine. Nothing was damaged there, it looks. Front bumper's no good. The hood's not even good either. But the engine, surprisingly, get this thing open. There we go. It's, like I said, it runs perfect. There's nothing wrong with it, so you know, that's another gain there. Hopefully we can make some money off of this engine, as I won't be using this engine either. Looks like they replaced the radiator, looks new. Too bad too, because I won't be using that either, so kind of a bummer. But hey, at least I got a car that doesn't have a windshield that's cracked, and it looks like that just got replaced because that's not original. So anyway, subscribe to the channel if you're interested in this. It's going to be a pretty big build. We're going to do this car from the bottom up. New paint job, everything. So like I said, subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks for watching.